So I found my safe haven for today. I got very nice deer goulash, a local dish. It was very nice. I'm full. Again, very nice people, and I can sleep here because it's free camper. So this will be my place for the night. I will get some sleep, and tomorrow we will go to the sea and we will see the sea. Just chilling in my car. I need to say this trip was or is. I'm still in it. I can't believe it. It's like ages. And I got two big hits right in front of me. Like, I think Piran will very nice. Ljubljana. Ljub. Yeah, for short. Ljub. Yeah, probably one of the prettiest capitals. But I wanted to see it my own. Like, Lake Bled was better than in the pictures. Today, I didn't expect that everything is tour and guide and stuff, but it was cool. I don't know. The mountain town, I think Mostno Sochi was lovely. It was mind-blowing. Slovenia is too good. I didn't expect Slovenia to be this nice. So yeah, that's my thoughts before I will read a little bit of Witcher and slowly sleep, I think. And thank you, car. You know, if you got a really good car, expensive car, don't do what I do. Use the highway, but then you don't see Slovenia as you should. And that's almost in every other country as well, at least in Italy and stuff. When you just use the highway, you don't see the tiny villages, the treasures, the spots. But you saw the road today. I got lucky, gonna be honest, but you need always a little bit of luck, so I take it. If you got a loyal car, like some people see this car as scrap, and I make fun of it as well, like scrap master, yeah. But this car brings me to places where other cars would stumble or don't work anymore, and yeah, I don't have to be scared all the time. Oh no, my car. This is like a good partner. I can count on my partner. And so I will drive it till he can't do it anymore. I got high hopes in this car, and it's loyal. It doesn't break down randomly or stuff. And if you find such a car for yourself, then you will feel what I feel, and you know what I mean. But if you get a car that's always breaking down or making, then you know this car doesn't fit to you. So change your car. Maybe that's what. My first car broke down, like I didn't even drove it and it broke down. And then I got my second car, and this car was amazing. As a really long time, like 5 years. It was my Opel Corsa, awesome car. And then I got this one, and this one till now, like the Opel Corsa was 200,000 kilometers above, and this is almost of 200,000 kilometers, and I love those cars. You can count on them in every situation, and if they let you down, you let them down. It's so I can't think when this car let me down. Okay, maybe in the winter. In the winter it didn't start well. That's the only thing I can imagine. So it's okay. I think it's okay. It's okay. You can do it. You are my Nokia. Find yourself such a thing, or travel different. Find your own way to travel. I think that's the main goal for everyone. So find your style of traveling. My style is I want to come around. Like the first visit is I want to visit all, like a road trip through the main stuff, and then I can see where I like it the most, and then I can come back more chill, more relaxed, because I know the place. If some places are not good, then who cares? You're one day, or just drive off. And it's a little bit cheaper, then I don't have to pay a hotel, and it's a little bit rougher. After that trip, I need to change my tires 100%, but it was worth it. So good night.